Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you guys ever feel like waking up one day and you feel like crap, but then you have like the perfect hair day? I think that's me today. I was loving how my hair was laid out. It's not perfect, but it's one of those days where I could just run a comb through my hair. It had the perfect volume and every strand of hair was just exactly where I wanted it to be. So I put on my face because I wanted to film my FabFitFun Fall 2022 box for you guys. So if you want to know what I got this season, then keep on watching. I feel like the boxes get smaller and smaller every season. Look how tiny this box is. Okay. Here's the box. Super cute. I take that back. I think last summer the box was actually huge, but I think this is the smallest box I've ever gotten. I love the design, definitely super fall. I love that they have an African American woman on here with really voluminous hair. I love it. I love the color scheme they came up with. So let's see what I got. I've got my fall customizations for you, plus my fall add-ons. If the video becomes too long, I'll try to break it into two parts. And I think I've always had, so be on the lookout for part 2 for the add-ons, because honestly, sometimes the add-ons are much better than the box. But altogether, it's just an amazing package. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, I started filming and I didn't even know that I wasn't recording. Don't you hate that? I was so excited, like seeing the products for the first time. I'll try to be excited for you guys again. This one, the first item in my box, guys, is by NARS. And I've never owned a NARS blush before, because back in the day when NARS Orgasm Blush was, yes, orgasm. Back in the day when it was really very popular, I went ahead and bought it. And when I tried it on, it never showed up on my face. It was such a light wash of color. It was non-existent pretty much for medium to tan skin tones. So I guess NARS heard us, right? They heard our cry and they created an orgasm that is a little bit darker. So it's similar in shade as the original Orgasm Blush, but they made it so that it shows up on medium skin tones. And I actually went to Sephora to try this out, and it was amazing. It's beautiful. I have it on already on the first try, but let's do it again. Okay, I like piling on blush anyway. But that peachy orange, pink, like it's perfect. When I compared the Orgasm and Orgasm X, they are very similar in shade, like exactly similar, but one is just more opaque, one is more darker. They just took it up a notch and it's beautiful. If you have similar skin tones like me or darker, definitely get the Orgasm X. That peachy orange color, it is perfect for the fall. So I'm so glad that I got this. Let me swatch it for you guys real quick. Let's see, right there. And you can definitely see that it is the Orgasm Blush, but it's more deep, a tad bit deeper. So highly recommend this one. I gotta say, FabFitFun always has some makeup items in the box for customizations, but this is the best one in a very long time that they had something that I was excited for when it came to makeup. And yes, props to you, FabFitFun. Okay, next customization is another oldie but a goodie, but again, I don't own one. Everyone I know who's tried it all love it, no matter what their skin type. So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Moisturizer. The exact name is Pink Juice Moisturizer, hydrating and soothes the skin. So this is a facial moisturizer, and look at the bottle. Isn't she pretty? She's so beautiful. It is a pump, so A+ on the packaging. I can't wait to use this because you guys know when the fall winter season comes, your face starts to dry up, and this is gonna definitely come in handy for the fall. The third customization is by Understated leather carry-on packing cubes. And if you guys have watched my most recent favorites video, I had packing cubes as one of my favorites for travel. So this comes in a set of two, one big one and a smaller size. And this is actually a collab with Free People. And if you guys know, Free People is a very popular brand, but as far as the styles, they're very hip and out there. A little too extreme for my taste, but I love them just the same. They have great quality. They are expensive though. When I heard they're collabing with this brand and they're making packing cubes, I knew I had to get it. And I love the styles. Packing cubes are a great way to sort your items. You could put like your toiletries in here. You could also put like undergarments or clothing. I mean, I needed more sizes and I think this is gonna fit the bill. And these are a tad bit thicker than the original ones I own. And again, the packing cubes that I have are again from Fabfitfun. So perfect for travel. And if you need more travel ideas, check out my video because I have all of the things that I love traveling with, and hopefully that will give you some more ideas. Next customization is customization 4, which is, I bought this pretty much for my daughter, the Unite 7 Seconds Detangler and leave-in conditioner. This is gonna come in handy. I love that it's a spray bottle. I've never tried this brand before, but the detanglers are so perfect for my daughter because she's so sensitive with her head. This just makes it easier when she's combing her hair. Oh, did I show you guys the Fabfitfun magazine? Here it is. The information about the products in each customizations are still here. They highlight certain products. Ooh, I have that, guys. But they no longer have the price, which sucks because I need that information. Fabfitfun, guys, if you don't know, it's a seasonal subscription box. It's around $54 a month. So they've recently increased their prices. It used to be $50, not a month, but per season. So you get 4 boxes in the year: fall, winter, spring, and summer. And so each box you can customize. If you are a seasonal member, you can customize up to 4 items. If you are an annual member, you can customize all of the items. Customization 5, guys, is what I was showing you in the magazine, the black pumpkin fresh peppers. And I couldn't resist. I wanted this last season, but I didn't get it. Not last season. I think the season before that. It wasn't until summer of this year that I changed to being annual, and it's so much more convenient because I got my boxes super early and I got to customize on time. So if you are an annual member, you would pay the $200 a year upfront. But basically, you get to choose 2 weeks sooner. You get a wide range of products to choose from before they sell out, and they ship out sooner than the rest of the seasonal members as well. So here is the pumpkin eye mask. How can I say no to this? I need this. You'll be seeing me wearing this every day on Instagram. I love that they are individually packaged. I think there was another mask that I did bring with me for travel. The Summer and Rose, I think. I'll have the brand name here. That was another favorite of mine to bring during a trip. So, guys, I'm gonna be bringing this on my next trip, which is to the bathroom. I love eye patches. Give me a spa emoji if you're still here and if you love eye patches like me. The 6th customization is a big one. It's by Kate Somerville. The KX Active Concentrates B3 Vitamin C Serum. So this is what it looks like. The box is a little beat up, but it's okay. This is $98. It's supposed to brighten and even your skin tones. So I have to say, I love 90% of Kate Somerville's products. I think the only one that kind of stood out for me that I didn't like was the goat milk moisturizer. So that one was not my favorite. I think it was sticky. It was very light, not as hydrating as I'd liked it. It was in a purple jar of some sort. But everything else I've tried from Kate Somerville, their cleansers, their moisturizers, their exfoliators. I've also tried trial sizes of their serums. And I love them. They're amazing. It's a super pricey brand. Wow, $98. So that really lifted the value of my box, considering that I've only paid $54 for this box. This bottle alone paid for it. Next one, guys, are the add-ons. So there's two types of add-ons for FabFitFun. There's the add-ons, which is items that are overstocked. They're trying to get rid of inventory and they're selling it for a very good price, and that you can add to your box. They are not part of the season's customization. Another type of add-ons are add-ons for your customization. So in each category, you can choose as many products as you'd like in the same category, but you would have to add like another $15 to the box because they are like prime products. So in customization one, other than the NARS Blush, I wanted two other items. So I just went for it. The Living Proof Full Conditioner and Shampoo set. I love this. I love the Living Proof brand. It adds fullness and volume. Any shampoo that lets me have more volume, I'm in. The last season, I did also pick a shampoo and conditioner by OGX. That one, guys, if I can find it, I'll put it here. I don't recommend it. It's not my favorite. It did nothing to my hair. I mean, Pantene did better. I hope Living Proof doesn't disappoint. I can't wait to try this one. The other one that I wanted was by the way, the Living Proof set was $60 and I just had to add $15 more to get that. So I got that set for $15. The next item is a bag. This is the Mally and Lily Weekender bag. I love Weekender bags. I did pick another Weekender bag from a few seasons ago. Wow, but I love this print. Oh, and this one has a zipper outside. So pretty. This bag, guys, it's $128. I can see that. I can definitely see that. It's very durable. Oh, it looks well made, high quality. You can add that or not. I love these bags. Honestly, when I travel, and especially when it's just traveling by car, I love these because I keep them right next to me in the car. So here's the shape. Very roomy. Ugh. Guys, I said I wouldn't keep this, honestly. I said I would gift this to somebody, to my friend, to whoever. It's too beautiful. I think I'm gonna keep it. I was trying to think, you know, Christmas gifts. That's what I was going for. This comes with a long strap, which is so convenient when you're traveling. It's so easy to carry. You just put it on your shoulder. It hangs low. The color is so me. It's so fall. It has little Mally and Lily names on the print. So beautiful. So again, I added $15 just to get this. If I gifted this to someone, it has to be someone really special to me because even though like price wise I got it for $15, the quality, guys, is amazing. So we'll see. I hope I don't keep the bag. The only other add-on that I made was for customization 6, and it was the Dr. Brandt Hydrating Essence. Okay, I was running out of Essence, and I love Essence. It's kind of like a toner. It's what you would use right after a toner. It gets your face ready to accept all of that goodness from the serums. I love that it's a spray bottle, and you guys know I love Dr. Brandt. I'm surprised that their Essence is only $35. But I will go with it because the essence from Tatcha is like 75 or more. I'm not sure how much their essence are, but I don't know what's in Tatcha's essence. I'm sure it's magical. I do have it. I got it in my Tatcha Fukubukuru bag from last January. Anyways, this is not about Tatcha. This is about Dr. Brandt. Let's see if a $35 essence can outbeat a $78 essence from Tatcha. So I would be super excited about that. That is everything, guys. That is everything in my FabFitFun box for the fall 2022 season. Let's assume I paid $54 and didn't add anything. The total value of my box was $270. I do want to say that if I added like the bag and the shampoo and conditioner and the essence from Dr. Brandt, if I added those, it would definitely bump up the price, but it would also bump up what I paid for, which was an additional $40. The Mally and Lily bag alone is $128. So that already paid for like the $40 that I added on. And then I still got the shampoo and the Dr. Brandt essence. So you can't beat these deals as a FabFitFun member. It just allows me to try all of these expensive bougie products for an affordable price. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of my box? I really love what I got this season. I have to say my add-ons are also just as exciting. So be on the lookout for that. We've got some thigh toning to do, hint, hint. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Share this video. It would really help me out. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.